What do you like on your pizza? Hello, I'm Susie, and if you want to learn to make really quick and easy pizza without any yeast, then come and join us with this video. Hello boys!
Hello!
Today we're going to make pizza!
Yay!
Pizza, pizza!
Non ti trovai farfallone amoroso, notte giorno di torno c'era.
Yay! Sarcastic.
Okay, let's start with the pizza sauce. You will need 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 garlic cloves, crushed or minced. You'll need a teaspoon of dried oregano and a teaspoon of brown or white sugar. You'll also need some salt and pepper and 1 200-gram tin of chopped tomatoes, as well as a punnet of cherry tomatoes or homegrown tomatoes chopped up. So let's start making the sauce. Come on, Alex. Alex, are we going to make the tomato sauce for the pizza?
Yes.
You going to help me?
Yes.
Okay, and where have we got these tomatoes from?
From Daddy's shed.
Daddy's greenhouse, where he's grown them.
Oh.
So we need to chop these up to put them in our sauce.
Oh. 3 minutes later.
Okay, Alex, you ready to make this sauce?
Yes.
You got your spoon?
Yes.
This pan is really, really hot. Can you put in the olive oil first?
Okay.
Good boy. We're going to let that get nice and warm, but not too hot.
That looks like when we just say when you just have some pancakes. That looks like maple syrup.
It looks like maple syrup.
Yes.
Oh, okay, now pop in the garlic. Oh, you hear it sizzling?
Yeah.
And now we're going to put in the tinned chopped tomatoes. And stir it all together. Oh, Tim, good boy. Fresh tomatoes.
Oh, actually, it looks like sauce soup. Wow.
Now the herbs.
Yes, it's a herb.
You don't touch the pan, do you? Very good.
Really nice.
Yeah. Sugar,
Oh, sugar.
salt and pepper.
Pepper. Oh, I don't like pepper.
Pop the lid on and let it simmer for a few minutes.
Okay, now can we go on the trampoline?
Yes, now you can go on the trampoline. After 5 to 10 minutes, remove the lid and stir. And then, oh, it smells delicious. Keep reducing until it's a spreadable, thick consistency.
Natalia pizza!
Now we're going to make our pizza bases. To make the dough, you will need 500 grams of plain or all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. You'll also need 340 millilitres of water at room temperature. This makes about 4 mini pizzas or 1 big one. Okay boys, so now if you could sift the flour into a large bowl. Sieve it all in. Add the baking powder. And the salt. Bless you. Has the flour gone up your nose there, Josh?
Yeah. Something
Oh,
tickly.
excuse you.
Something tickly in my nose.
Can you mix it together, please? No, Alex, it's going everywhere. Just stir it gentle.
Got a great idea, Mummy. We should get a tea towel there.
Don't worry. Now we need to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients.
Snowing on the floor, Alex.
Okay, Alfie, can you tip in some of the water in the middle? That's it. A bit more.
Tell them when to stop.
Okay, stop.
And now mix that together.
Wow. A waterfall.
You're going to make, it's called a dough, like a pizza dough.
No.
You know, like Play-Doh?
Yeah, we know what Play-Doh. Let's look like.
What's it look like?
That thing what was a bit
Scones?
up. No.
Pancakes?
No. It's breakfast.
Muffins?
No. What I had, granola.
No. Porridge?
Yes. Looks like porridge. Alex, that really does look like I told you. I'm tired.
Right, is it all coming together now, like dough?
No.
Alfie? Get your hands in there and make it into one big dough ball.
This feels actually really, really nice.
What does it feel like?
It feels like slime.
If you've put too much water in, we need to add a little bit more flour. Right, it's all starting to come together now.
Yeah.
Making my way downtown.
To make 4 mini pizzas, divide equally into 4 before you roll it out.
So we're going to put some more flour onto the table. Oh, it's snowing! It's snowing!
It's actually quite sticky.
So roll it into a ball, and then as best as you can, you roll it out.
Okay, we're now to roll board. Squish it up together.
Alex, should we put some flour on your rolling pin? There we go, it's really good.
No, I'm not finished there.
Good rolling.
Do you like my number 6?
You've done a number 6, and how's yours, Alfie?
Really, really bad.
Now make sure you don't do it too thin, because remember, you've got to put all the toppings on.
Now here's the fun bit, it's time to do the toppings. So we've got some of our delicious homemade pizza sauce. Thank you, Alex. Some mozzarella cheese, but you can use all sorts of different cheeses. We've got some mixed sliced peppers, some ham, some pineapple, and some pepperoni. We've even got some olives, not everyone's cup of tea, I know. And there's all sorts of toppings you can use. If you want some hot jalapenos, sweet corn, anchovies, mushrooms, the list is endless. So just get creative.
Okay, now we're going to put some of the pizza sauce on.
Okay. Tomato. I love tomato.
Not too much, because it's not lasagna. It's not chicken parmigiana. Okay, that's really good, Josh. Go on then, Alex, you put some on.
Oh, it smells so nice.
We made this, didn't we, Alex?
Yeah.
Oh, that's lovely. Spread it out.
Oh, welcome, Alfie. Someone.
Your cheese on.
That's better.
Can I eat my pizza now?
No, now it's got to go in the oven.
Yeah. I might as well.
We're going to put it in the oven for about 15 minutes.
Okay.
And then it will be ready to eat. Are you ready to try your pizza?
Yeah.
Dig in.
Yummy.
More pineapple.
Yummy, yummy, in my tummy.
Yeah.
Alfie, without talking with your mouth full, what do you think?
The sauce is actually really good. I haven't tried it with the pepper.
Okay. And Joshy, what are you
The
thinking?
sauce is good. I tried the pepperoni. It's good. I like the melon.
The pineapple.
Yeah. Make the sauce.
Is it good, the sauce?
It's good. Yeah.
So have we got a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Hooray.
They really had great fun making that pizza and eating it. I don't know about you, but I'm really hungry now. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay on and watch some more of our videos. And as promised, there's always a recipe card at the end of the video. Here you go. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.